Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript. Before we start the scripting, we should go through the introduction. First of all, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is the scripting language of the web. There are mainly two ways to customize web pages and make them more interactive. A script is a set of instructions. Scripts provide change to web page. There are two types of scripting. One is client-side scripting and second is server-side scripting. First, client-side scripting. The client is the system on which the web browser is running. JavaScript is the main client-side scripting language for the web. The process of client-side scripting. First, the user requests a web page from the server. Then, the server finds that page and sends it to the user as reply. The page is displayed on the browser with any scripts running during or after display. So, client-side scripting is used to make web pages change after they arrive at the browser. Now, server-side scripting. The server is where the web page and database lives. The server sends the pages to the user on request. The use of HTML forms or clever links allow data to be sent to the server and processed. The result may come back as a second web page. PHP and ASP.NET are two main technologies for server-side scripting. Now, let's go through the concept of JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language. JavaScript was designed to add interactive to HTML pages. JavaScript is programming code that can be inserted into HTML pages to be executed by the web browser. Many HTML designers are not programmers, but JavaScript is a language with a very simple syntax. Almost anyone can put small snippets of JavaScript code into HTML pages. Next, what JavaScript can do? JavaScript can write directly into the HTML output stream. It means JavaScript can write any HTML tag directly to the web browser. And JavaScript can change the content of HTML elements. JavaScript can react to events. Events like click mouse button, click enter key, etc. JavaScript can manipulate HTML styles. JavaScript can test input and alert about errors. Now, let's go through these type of examples. This is the example of JavaScript. We will discuss about this example in our next tutorials. Just let's go through the output. This is document.write function which writes the any string. Here we applied the p tag, paragraph tag of HTML. Let's go through the output. This is the output. This is simple string which comes from the document.write function of JavaScript, and here we have applied paragraph tag of HTML. This string is come from the division tag of HTML. We have used some JavaScript functions to change this content. Let's go through these. So whenever I click this button, content will be changed. Now change the style of this content. Okay, this is the change of style through JavaScript. Now go through the alert box. When I click When I will click this button, alert box will pop up. Yeah, this is alert box. Okay, I think now you have clear idea about this JavaScript outputs and JavaScript examples. JavaScript and Java are two completely different languages in both concept and design. Java is a more complex programming language in the same category as C and C++, whereas JavaScript is very simple scripting type language that enables web developers, designers to build more functional and interactive websites. What you should already know before you continue this JavaScript tutorial. You should have a basic understanding of the HTML and CSS scripting, so it will be easier for you to understand these JavaScript concepts.